and I'm going down like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic.
Okay, so these are the new fidgets that I pretty much got from this. And yeah, I'm getting the pineapple puppet and the carrot puppet. So if you didn't see this yet, it might have been in one of my other videos, but if it wasn't, it's so good. It's really good. Okay, let's see them. Okay, so first is the purple Play-Doh. It's so satisfying and so squishy and soft. You know those like things where they like crush the Play-Doh and there's like a shell over it? I don't have one of those, but let's try this one. Ready? Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Next is the monkey noodles. So stretchy and squishy and soft. So like bright and neon. So cool. Next is the mini cube. I can solve it, but I just got it all mixed up. And it's really satisfying. And it's the mini kind. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, next is the unicorn pop it, so let's pop it. And that's it. By the way, happy last day of school.